My name is Gary Donahue with Viper Trading Systems. Have you ever thought about the effects of inflation over the past few years and actually over the past decade? Seems like everything's just higher priced than ever before. Have you ever thought about trading futures? Futures trading can make a huge difference in your lifestyle. Before we get started here, if you're willing to take about 10, possibly 12 minutes, first I want to go over a standard disclaimer here because futures trading does involve risk and there's always risk of loss. Okay, so please read my disclaimer here. But let's talk just for a very few minutes about futures trading. First off, again, we are Viper Trading Systems. Our website is vipertradingsystems.com. I run a trading room 5 days a week, and it opens at 7:40 Central Time and ends at 10 o'clock Central Time each and every day. Those 2 hours, you can more than likely get nicely green. And what I mean by that is you can make some profit. And I call those trades in real time on 4 instruments in that trading room each and every day. We're very easy to get in contact with also. Just click on my contact link. You can literally talk to us by phone. There's a phone number right there. Have an email address, 2 email addresses, and also a Skype handle. You can just simply fill out a contact form and I'll be more than happy to talk to you. I've also got a chat widget for real-time chatting. Just click on our chat support. But at Viper Trading Systems, been in business since 2009 and teach futures trading basically each and every day of my life. And I even teach and train as I'm calling the trades. And what we do at Viper Trading Systems, if you come in with us, for instance, even as a simply come into our room period, you get what's called a login to get into your particular modules. Now, I'm obviously owner of the company, so I've got all the modules. But when you even sign up for a trial, and we have trials that are free. I've got a free trading room trial. It'll get you into my room for 10 full days. You'll be able to see if we're the real deal. I also have a 10-day trial if you want to take my scripts, get a bunch more training videos and things. You can even take a 10-day trial, and it's $39.99. Okay, very reasonable, by the way, for 10 days to have some great scripts and everything come into my trading room. Okay. And then also on these modules, we have the trading room links. So you just simply click on the weekly links and you'll go to the particular room. See, here's Viper Live Trading Room, and you'll click on the registration link and register for the webinar. It's that easy. Okay. You're in your training and everything. You also have lots of training modules and things like that when you're with us. And, you know, for instance, we've got some scripts that you'll need to learn a little bit about. So we've got tutorials on those. Now, one thing about trading futures, by the way, years ago when I started this business, you pretty much had to start your own account with probably, you know, $10,000, $15,000 in that account. Nowadays, you don't have to do that. You just have to prove you can trade. You can buy what's called an evaluation from a vendor. And when you pass that evaluation, they fund an account and then you just start making money. To give an example, there's one of our companies that we use called Apex Trading. Apex Trader Funding is actually the name of the company. And just to give an example, for here's some actual figures from today. Okay, this is 4 accounts that I just literally bought 2 days ago, and I've already funded them because you only have to get to $9,000. And I also cloned them. Our scripts actually include cloning, which means I can actually take the same trade on 4 different accounts. So if you do the math, you can see that you can do some really good money on these. This is another one I just started a few days ago, but it's funded already, and I've already got it up to a little over $5,700. Here's some others that I have too. Let me just show you, and I won't go over a lot of this because it can get just laborious. But here's an example right here of an account that I started, a $50,000 account, and it's a PA, which means it's funded, and it's up to $103,531. That means that I've got $50,000 in that account, and I paid 33 bucks for the account, and I also paid for the lifetime fee 140 bucks. So I've got $175 invested in that, and I've got it up to $103,000. And just to show you that this is the real deal, here's July 3rd, right before the 4th of July. Here's July 11th, just showing you a few of these. And you can see, for instance, here's straight PAs. cloned accounts. You can clone these and you can make lots and lots of money. Now, what I have are these scripts. Notice the script, by the way, is in real time. This was today. Our scripts actually tell us to take this trade. I opened the room at 7:40, just show you a little bit, and then we're going to wrap this thing up. But basically, I start the room just right through here. See the little green dots? Those fire in real time. So we told our people, if it came down anywhere at all and you got these little dots, take the trade. You'll notice that if you got in this trade roughly right through here, got out somewhere right through this area right here, you made roughly around, looks like about, 76 ticks, right in that area? 66 ticks. It's 743, 66 ticks. Not a bad trade. Here's what we call a phantom trade right here. Now, what I do is I teach futures trading so that you can make good money on a daily basis. These are called phantom trades right here. We actually have alerts that let people know that these are long trades right here. They'll actually flash at you. See the little green bars flashing? That's letting us know that these are trades that we want to take. You could do the math. There's a monster trade here. There's a monster trade here. Here's another one setting up. Well, you had a mid-band trade here, and we teach these particular trades. You can jump in with 2 or 3 contracts, get $300 or $400 per trade, and just do quite well in trading. I teach futures trading, and 5 days a week you can come into my room, and you'll see that I call trades on gold, I call trades on oil, I call trades on YM, which is the mini Dow, and ES, which is the S&P 500. If you can do what we teach in that room, you can change your lifestyle. Because if you think about it, investing just a few bucks for an evaluation, now keep in mind, if you fail that evaluation, you might have to reset it. But I teach you how to trade these systems in real time in that room so that you can get money from vendors like Apex, Top Step Trader, whoever you decide to go with. There are a lot of vendors out there that actually will literally pay your way. Let me show you just real quick. We've got a little deal here. I'll go to Apex Trader Funding. Bear with me just one second. I'll go to their website and I'll show you what we've got going on right now. Apex Trader Funding has a deal going right now for 80% off. Well, you have to have a discount code. Well, we've got a discount code on our website to get you that price. And if you go scroll down to their evaluations, you'll find out that if you can trade these, you know, for instance, let's just go over here to a $50,000 one, like that one I showed you there. Let's go back. Okay, here's 50,000 right here. And you can see that you can buy this account normally $167 a month. Right now it's $33.40. You can fund that account within probably just a few days, and Apex will actually give you the first $25,000 you make 100%, and after that they split it 90-10. You get 90%, they get 10%. So if you do the math, you can see that futures trading can make a huge difference in your lifestyle, because just to give the example right here, this was just one of my PAs right here. And see, this is live information. See how I'm shadowing that right now? I made $1,010 on just that one PA today. And I funded these other 4 accounts today. And Apex will let you fund up to 20 accounts. So if you have 20 accounts, even doing 1,000 a day, could you imagine what you could do with your life? Boats, cars, grocery store. Don't worry about when you go to the grocery store when those steaks are, you know, for instance, you look at steaks and it's like $35 for a good steak. Who cares? Church needs some extra things to do, building type of things. Give them some extra money. Somebody on the street needs some help. Help them out. Good Lord blesses us with the ability to do this type of thing. I teach futures trading so that people can do this on a daily basis. And when you come into my room, you'll see that we're the real deal. Simply go to my website, take that trial. We'll go to our homepage here. Take that trial right here, free of charge, and come into my room for 10 days and see if it's not the real deal. 10-day trial if you want to absolutely have my scripts and have these beautiful charts here. You can even have that. It's only $39.99. I teach futures trading, been doing it for 16 years. As you can see by my performances, I do quite well at it, and I teach other people to do it. I have members all over the world that come into my room each and every day, and we trade these same charts. We don't deviate from them. I call trades on phantom trades, mid-band trades. I call trades on the breakout trades. Here's an example. My son actually traded this morning. He gets up earlier than I do, but he actually went long on this trade right here at 5 o'clock in the morning because he saw this breaking this swing right through here. And the overall trend was pretty much to the upside from overnight. See that big thrust, pull back with a higher low? I teach you all of this. So when he got in this trade, he was able to make $770, but he did it on 8 accounts. He doesn't make that kind of money working at a bank. So that made $770 times 8 accounts. You do the math on that, that's a $6,000 day. Okay, and you saw mine. I did even more than that. And I taught him to trade, and I can certainly teach you. All right, thanks for watching my video, and be sure to take a trial with me, and I hope this video helped you out. I want to change the way you're doing in your, if you trade for a living even now, see if you can do even better in my room. But I'll teach you to trade futures. Thanks for watching.